Hello and welcome to Me and Math live session. Today is Sunday, 7th September, and what a bright sunny day. And I'm your mentor for today, Poonam Biani. Hello, kids. Please join in and tell me your names. Please write your names in the chat box. I can see kids joining. I can see many students joining over here. Okay, Mahi is over here. Hello, Mahi. How are you? Great to see you. So, Priyanka Singh, okay. So, I would request all the students to please type your name in the chat box so that I know your name. Whatever ID you are using. Okay, Priyansh is there in the name of Priyanka Singh. Hello, Priyansh. Very glad to see you all in the class. Priya, Priya. Hello, Priya. So, have we met before? No. Okay. So, I hope you are going to enjoy this class and we are going to learn a lot today, along with some fun, along with some tips and tricks, along with some good questions. So, who all are excited for the session and want to know what we are going to do further? Okay, just let me know what did you have in the breakfast today? Or did you have your breakfast? Okay, where is Debashri ma'am? Oh, she is not here today. So I'm going to take the class. Are you missing her? I'm going to inform Debashri ma'am. Okay, so you Thea is here. Very good. Thea, good morning, Thea. So I'm going to tell Debashri ma'am. Okay, she's your ma'am. That's so good that she's your ma'am. I'm also your ma'am. So the one who is taking the class is also your ma'am. So you won't be loving me. Good morning, Ishwi. So Mahi had Maggie for breakfast. Okay, so Mahi admitted that she is going to love me also. Thank you, Mahi. Ishwita, good morning. Tia had dosa. That's great. Dosa is my favorite also, all time favorite. So good. So rest of the students, Ishwita, how are you? Just wave ma'am or give a thumbs up that you are all right, you are doing good. Okay, so waiting for other students also to join. Mahi looks very active today. Maggie has made her more active. Mahi, M for Maggie and M for Mahi. Okay, thank you. Uh, Priyansh, what is? Oh, thank you for loving. Okay, my name is Poonam. My name is Poonam Biani. Mahi, you might have seen me in some of the classes. If not, no worries. We are going to interact today. Lots of talking we are going to do, lots of fun. Yes, Ishwita, thank you for waving. I okay, so it's not good evening, it's good morning. It seems Midansh is here. Right, Midansh? So I welcome once again to all of you for the YouTube live session of me and Math. And we are going to have a lot of fun and we are going to learn by fun and with also using our brains. So let's see. Okay, good morning, Medansh. So, okay, what are you giving me the trophies for? Great. Mahi, what are the trophies for? Can you just tell me? So, a big hello to all of you once again. I hope the screen is visible. Is the screen visible to all of you? Fine. I am just moving forward. Let's see what is the topic that we are going to learn today. Okay, I can see fractions. Great. So, fractions. Who all know about fraction? किसको किसको फ्रैक्शन के बारे में पता है और किसको नहीं पता है? जिनको पता है वो बताएंगे यस मैम, जिनको नहीं पता है वो बोलेंगे नो मैम. It's so easy doing yes and no. So Medansh told me yes ma'am. तो मेदांश को fractions पता है. मेदांश knows fractions. Okay, let's see what is Mahi saying. Okay, Mahi is also saying yes. Thank you. Okay, thank you for saying me good. Thank you. So Medansh is here with the definition also, part of a whole. That's great. And what about Priyansh? What is Priyansh saying? Priyansh, what are you saying? You also know fractions. Great. And you know fractions with its types also. Thea also knows fractions. Great. Then this is going to be a great class for me today when all of you are aware that what is fraction. Okay, Mahi, now I know your name. So every time it's not necessary that you have to type the name. It is only done when I start in the starting. I want to know who all are joining. Okay, now I know all your names. Thank you. So, part of a whole, very well defined by Medhansh. Okay, now here Priyansh, ये whole तो दूसरा हो गया, HOLE. ये whole तो अलग लिख दिया आपने, WHOLE. Great. Anyway, students, before starting the session, let me just polish your brain a little bit. Let me see what's going on in your brains. But before that, okay, I have star student of the week. Let's see who is the star student of the week. Oh, the student is here with me. Medansh, congratulations, Medansh, for being the star student of the week. Congratulations once again. Very good. Well done. Okay. So Khushi is also here. खुशी वी कैन सी खुशी के आते ही बहुत सारी खुशी आ गई है क्लास में और आई कैन सी द स्टार स्टूडेंट ऑफ द वीक once again I'm playing it. All of you can congratulate Medansh for being the star student of the week. Very well done. And in the same way, you can be the star student like Medansh and you can do all your homeworks on time, do all the assessments given by your teachers, and just be a bright student always. I know you get a little bit of time to do the homeworks, but when you do it with dedication, you can do it. Nothing is impossible. Okay, so Khushi is also there. And now we are going to have the star student of the month also. So let's see who is the star student of the month. Congratulations, Medan. Okay, Medan, see, all your classmates are wishing you congratulations. Okay, star student of the month. Once again, it is Rayansh Bani. And you know, kids, Rayansh and Medansh are brothers. I got to know this in the last class. So, Rayansh and Medansh are brothers. So, they both are very happy today. One is the star student of the month, and the other is the star student of the week. So, they both have got the trophies, like they both have captured this position. Congratulations to both of you. Very good, very well done. The dedication shows how much y'all are interested in the studies. So, next, who is going to be the star student? Who all want to be the star students? Let me see who all have the desire to become the star student, and see that ma'am announces the name like this in the live session. Who all wants to be the star students? Quick, 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 type your name. I can see so many students over here. So I hope all of you want to become the star student of the week, star student of the month, and later on you become the star student of the year and steal the show. Yes, Priyansh wants to be the star student. Other than Priyansh, who wants to be the star student? Future. Again, Medansh, you only want to be. That's very good. Thea also wants to be the star student. I can see Thea. So desirable. Okay. And even Mahi wants to be. So I also want to see all the students becoming star students. Okay. So moving forward, let's see which. Okay, here we have the mystery moment. Were you waiting for the mystery moment? So here is the mystery moment for all of you. Now you have to use your brain. Before using your brain, I told you the star students, and now we are going to do the brain activity. What word has five letters but sounds like it has only one? What word has five letters but sounds like it has only one? It has five letters, but it sounds like it has only one letter in it. Come on, tell me quickly. All the sweet, sweet, my dear students, they are going to R. Okay. Medansh's answer is R, Hour. But Medansh, this is only a four-letter word that you have used. It should be a five-letter word. So you have to think once again. R's. Okay, so you have added an S and made it complete. I'll be telling you the answer a little bit later. Let all the students try horse. Thea is telling horse. Okay. And Mahi is also telling R. Let's see other answers. What the other students are telling. Priyansh, Khushi, where are you? Ishita, Ishvita, come on, quickly tell me the answers. Take part in the conversation, and the one who is going to give the best answers are going to get stars from ma'am's side. Okay, quickly type the answer in the chat box. What word has five letters but sounds like it has only one? No other answers? Or anyone wants to try? I'll be waiting for 2 more seconds. Okay, ours. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm unlocking the answer now. Q. The answer is Q. Q-U-E-U-E. This is the correct answer. See, it has five letters. Q-U-E-U-E. And it sounds as if it has only one. We pronounce this word as queue. You know what is a queue? एक लंबी लाइन जहां पर लोग लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं. And this also reads as Q. Q is a single letter, right? So this is the word that we have unlocked that has five letters but sounds like it has only one. So if you remember any other such word, you can type in the chat box and we can discuss it later. You know a three-letter word. Okay. So Samanvita and Mahi both are your names. Okay. I will call you Mahi because now I am. So many names you are having. Anyways, Mahi, I'll call you Mahi. Okay. So let's move forward. So all of you are ready to move forward. Give me a thumbs up very quickly in the chat box so that we can start our session for today. Who all are excited? Quick, quick, quick. Okay, I know, I can understand, Mahi, that Kushi is your mother's name. Okay, so moving forward with the topic for today. So, what is the mission for today? Let us see. We are going to learn to read and write fractions. We are going to learn shaded fractions. We are going to learn unshaded fractions. Okay, so you know what is the word master these means master this. Master this means you have to be an expert of this particular topic, whatever we are learning today. So, who all wants to master the topic fractions for today? Oh, I can see many hands. I can see many thumbs ups in the chat box. So today's mission is mastering in reading and writing fractions, shaded fraction, unshaded fractions. Okay, so all of you want to be the masters, it seems. Okay, that's great. So let's move forward. Okay, so very first topic, reading and writing fractions. You know, there is a difference between reading and writing fractions. So I have some space over here and we are going to do. Okay, all of you want to master this. Okay, so we are writing fraction. Okay, first I'm writing something. I'm writing 3 and 4. So this is a fraction written by me. The fraction is a part of a whole. We all know that. Fraction is a part of a whole. So a fraction is made up of what? Fraction is made up of a numerator and denominator. Fraction is a part of a whole and it is made up of numerator and denominator. Very good. Okay, so I have started getting the answers itself, that how we are going to write this. Okay, so let's see. So it seems Medansh is very fast in answering. So this 3 is the numerator. Here 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. The top number is always the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. I hope you all know that. Okay, so how do we write this? 3/4. We put a hyphen and we write 3/4. The first one is cardinal and the other one is ordinal. We use the words like this. The first one is cardinal and the other one is ordinal. And why we have put a S over here? Can anyone tell me why we have put a S at the last? Okay, why we have added an S? It is 3/4. We call it 3/4. We read it as 3/4 and we write it also as 3/4, or we can read it as 3/4 also. But we have added an S over here because if the numerator is greater than 1, if the numerator is greater than 1, we add an S. We add an S to the ordinal part. We add an S to the ordinal part. Okay. So, okay. So now I'm giving you one more question. Okay. I'm giving you one more question. I'm writing in blue color. Let's see. How do we write this? All of you? Okay. Yes, 3 is bigger than 1. That's why we are adding an S. So now I have one more question. 4 by 10. What is the numerator over here and what is the denominator? I'm going to draw the pizzas later on. First, let us read this. First, let us read this, Mahi. Have patience. We are going to do it. 4/10. Okay, Thea has given me the answer. 4/10. TENTHS. Very important part is that you have to keep in mind the spellings also. 4/10. Uh, Medansh, we can write 4/10. If the denominator is greater than 10, then only we use over. I'm going to teach you that also. But here, if the denominator is less than or equal to 10, we are going to write tens. TENTHS. Okay. So, very good. 4/10. TENTHS. So, I think Ishvita also needs to know that. So, if I have one more question like this, 11 by 15. So how do we read this? Now this is 11 over 15. We write it 11 over 15 because here the denominator is greater than 10. The denominator is greater than 10. So what do we do when we have the denominator greater than 10? Then we use over. Okay, so I think all of you now know that when we are using tens, when we are when we are using over. So once you have seen the screen, I'm going to give you some of the questions on the screen and then I'm going to ask you what are the answers. So this is how we are going to read and write the fractions. Okay, 11 over 15. Yes, Tia, very good. Okay, so Mahi, what are you asking about? How many total and hold? I didn't get your question, beta. If you can be more clearer. Okay, so students, I am writing one more question here on the top. See, who is going to answer me for this question? 17 by 20. Quickly write down the fraction in words. 17 by 20, write down the fraction in words. Who is the first one who is going to give the answer? Fraction in words. 17 by 20. How do you write it with correct spelling? Quick, quick, quick. Very quickly, you all are going to answer. Let's see who is the first one. 17 over 20. Very good, Thea. Very good. Very first answer which I have got. 17 over 20. Ishwita is also giving. Medansh is also giving the same answer. Perfect. 17 over 20 is the correct answer. 17 over 20. Very good. So, all of you, Priyansh has also 17th, 20 is not correct, Priyansh. We should write it 17 over 20. Okay. Mahi, we are on the question 17 by 20. We have to write the words. Priyansh, it is 17 over 20. Okay, when the denominator is greater than 10, we use the word over in between. Okay, I am erasing the screen. Okay, and I'm going to give you one or two questions more. Okay, write down this one. Next question for you is this one. Khushi, it is 17 over 20, not 70 over 20, beta. It was 17, 1 7. Okay, next question is in front of you. 5 by 6. Come on, quickly type the answer, correct answer. Let me see if you have learnt it or not. Okay, so Thea is the first one who has given me the answer. Ishwita. Very good, Ishwita. Just need to add an S. Very good, Medansh. Mahi, you need to write in words. So 5 6 SIXTHS. Because the numerator is greater than 1, so we add an S over here. 5 6. Very good. All the students who have given me the correct answer. And this, I'm going to give you one more. Okay, let me take one more. One more. Yes, Kushi. 5 6. Sixth, Priyansh, put an S. Khushi, check the spelling on the screen. And now you have to answer this one. The fraction which you can see on the screen. It seems you all are very excited to answer all the questions. So very quickly you all are going to answer these questions so that we can move on to the next one. 10 over 12. Thea is very fast today. Thea, very good. Very well answered. Other students, check out the fraction and quickly type your answer if you have understood. Mahi, try to answer this question. Even Khushi, very good Ishwita, very good Midansh, perfect. So now this is becoming easy for you. When you understand the topic, very good Khushi. Khushi, I know your name. You can write the answer. Straight away you can write the answer. Now I know which ID you are using. That's why. Okay. I'm writing the correct answer over here given by you all. 10 over 12. Very good. Very well done. So, ma'am is going to give you a heart from my side. Well done, students. Well done. Okay. Priyansh has also understood. That's great. Okay. So, we have just learned this. 3 by 7. How do we write this? I'll write it once. 3 sevenths. And this one, 11 over 13. Now it's your turn to write these. These two answers you have to write down in words. These two answers you have to write down. 17 over 20. Okay. 3 sevens. Very good. Okay. आपने तो मेरा वाला भी कर दिया. Write down 5 by 9 in words. ये वाला क्वेश्चन जो दिख रहा है 5 by 9. This question. And 17 by 20. इसको जल्दी से लिखिए वर्ड्स में. Very good, Ishwita. 5 nines. Okay. Thea, your answer is correct. Little bit spelling is wrong. So yes, Ishwita's spelling is correct. Actually, Khushi, your spelling is also correct. Very good. So I'm writing the correct answer. Very good, Ishwita. Very well, Thea. Very, very well done. So you guys are understanding. Medansh, your answer is also correct. 5 nines. For nines, we write Ninths. And this is 17 over 20. Okay, so we all are rock stars. We have done it very well, including me and also you, isn't it? So, who all are the rock stars over here? Who all are the rock stars? So, ma'am has given very well done for all of you. Perfect. Okay, so moving forward to Priyansh, 1720s is wrong. It is 17 over 20. ठीक है बेटा, एक बार आप अपना वापस से चेक करिए. जो आपने लिखा है स्क्रीन पर आपको 17 over 20 दिखाई दे रहा है ना. तो जब भी न्यूमरेटर 10 से ज्यादा होता है तो हम उस वहां पर ओवर का यूज करते हैं. ओके, तो आप वहां पर ओवर का यूज करके 17 over 20 करेंगे. डू द करेक्शन. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड नाउ. Okay, so now the new topic is shaded fraction. Okay, shaded fraction. Fraction में हम कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स बनाते हैं, फिर हम उनको कलर करते हैं, फिर हमें ये पता करना होता है कि कौन सा पार्ट कितना कलर्ड है. तो चलो देखते हैं कि हमारे पास क्या है. ओके, शेडेड फ्रैक्शन में हम क्या करेंगे. एक मैं बनाती हूँ एक circle. Although my drawing is not very good. Hmm. Anyways, I have divided this circle into some parts. ठीक है? And I have colored it. The part which I have colored is shaded. Rest जो color नहीं किया हुआ है, all these are not shaded. Okay. So what is the total number of parts done to the circle? How many parts have I done to the circle? How many parts? Okay, the students are there with the answers. Very good. How many parts have I done to the circle? कौन बताएगा मुझे मैंने सर्कल के कितने पार्ट्स किए हैं. क्विक क्विक क्विक, जल्दी देखें कौन सा बच्चा मुझे सबसे पहले आंसर करे. मुझे खाली इतना बताओ बच्चों कि मैंने सर्कल के कितने पार्ट्स किए हैं. आपका आंसर चैट बॉक्स में आ जाना चाहिए जल्दी से. प्रियांश, थिया का एक आंसर आया है। मेदांश, मेदांश सिर्फ मुझे ये बताइए कि कितने पार्ट सर्कल के किए हैं। अभी मैं शेडेड अनशेडेड नहीं पूछ रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ ये पूछ रही हूँ मैंने कितने पार्ट किए हैं सर्कल के। How many parts have been done to the circle? Okay, so let's see. I have done, okay, 4 parts to the circle. So this 4 has to be, yes, Medansh, thank you. This 4, jitne bhi parts, the number of parts that is done to the circle or any object is written in the denominator. Number of parts that is done is written in the denominator. And now out of this, the number of parts shaded, the number of parts colored. How many parts is colored? 1. So the fraction for the shaded part of the circle is 1/4. Very good. Very good. 1/4. If we write in word also, we write it like this, 1/4. Excellent. The students, actually, you know what? You all are really very good at answering. Very good at answering. Perfect. Very good, Thea. Very good, Priyansh. Excellent work, Medansh. And even Ishwita, Khushi, Mahi, all the students, you all are very good and you are trying to master this topic. Okay, moving forward. Let's learn what the fraction for the shaded part. How many parts can you see over here? How many parts can you see over here? In the next slide, how many parts can you see of the object? This one, this side, the one which I have tick marked. Write the fraction for the shaded part. So first we are going to find out the total number of parts. Very good, Medansh. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Medansh is with his answer 8 parts. That has to be written in the denominator. Thea, please check your answer. Please check your answer. It's 8 parts. Beta, I'm talking about the figure in the left side. Figure in the left side. Okay. So the total parts of the figure is 8. That has to be written in the denominator. Okay. And the number of parts that are shaded. Shaded means these parts. These parts are colored. These are shaded. So how many parts are shaded? 3. Out of it, out of the 8, 3 parts are shaded. So 3 becomes the numerator. So here 3 by 8 is the shaded fraction. Very good. Keep it up. Very good, Priyansh. Very good, Mahi. Perfect, Thea. Now it's correct. 3 by 8. Okay. Medansh, very good. Even Khushi, you have given the correct answer. Now we come to the right side. Students, let's come to the right side. We have to solve this also. What fraction is the shaded part? Now y'all are going to give me the answer. I'm not going to write anything. You give me the answer in the chat box and then I'm going to write. At least 5 answers when I get, then only I'm going to write. So, okay, Thea is the first one to give me the answer. Okay, total parts. Medansh has given me the total parts. Thank you, Medansh. And now you can write the fraction also. Perfect. 1 by 4 is wrong, Mahi. Please check the number of parts done to the figure. 10 parts, shaded part 2 by 10. Very good, Ishwita. Full explanation. So 10 parts are there that I'm going to write in the denominator and 2 parts are shaded. Very good. So if we write in words, How do we write it? If we write in words also, तो क्या दोनों का रिविजन हो जाएगा? 2/10 को हम वर्ड्स में भी लिख लेते हैं और 2/10 को हमने शेडेड भी बता दिया। तो जल्दी से बताएंगे 2/10 को हम वर्ड्स में कैसे लिखेंगे? क्विक रिविजन ऑल्सो along with the question. Okay, so it seems students are typing. So I have to wait for a second or two. कोई बात नहीं, वेट कर लूंगी, मेरे बच्चे लिख रहे हैं तो मैं वेट। ओके, गॉट द फर्स्ट आंसर। वेरी गुड मेदांश। 2/10। Okay, so 2 is the numerator, 10 is the denominator. We have got the answer 2/10. Perfect. तो अभी आपको शेडेड फ्रैक्शन में कोई प्रॉब्लम बच्चों? एनी प्रॉब्लम आर यू फेसिंग इन शेडेड फ्रैक्शन? आई होप इट इज क्लियर। वेरी गुड प्रियांश, वेरी गुड थिया। So Ishwita, very good. So if you don't have any problem in shaded fraction, we can move forward. Just put a thumbs up in the chat box so that we can go with the next topic. Quickly type a thumbs up. Give me a yes that you have no problem over here so that I can move with the next topic. As I can see that you can answer all the questions very quickly. Still, I want to ask you if any one of you have problem. We can just clear it right now. Let's see. Okay. So Priyansh has understood. Very good. Even Medansh is giving a thumbs up to me. It means it's all clear to you also, Medansh. Perfect, Mahi. Very good. Okay. So I hope Khushi, Ishwita. Okay, Priyansh, you have a problem. First, you are saying yes. You are saying no. What is it? Is it a yes or it's a no? Have you understood? A final answer from Priyansh? Okay. So now we have unshaded fractions. The related topic, unshaded fraction. Shaded means जो colored है, unshaded means जो colored नहीं है। तो अभी हमने कुछ फिगर बनाया था, तो उसमें ओके, थैंक यू प्रियांश फॉर योर कंफर्मेशन दैट यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम। ओके, सो अभी हमने शेडेड बनाया था, अब हम बनाएंगे अनशेडेड के लिए एक फिगर। तो एक काम करती हूँ, अब मैं बनाती हूँ एक रेक्टेंगल। ओके, एंड I am doing some equal parts of this rectangle. Hmm. I hope all of you can see the screen properly. Okay, so now we have to find out the total number of parts of the rectangle. How many parts have I done to the rectangle? That has to be written in the denominator. So I'm ready with my division line. The one who is going to tell me that how many parts have I done to the rectangle? Number of parts done to the rectangle? Okay, 9. Correct. 9 parts have been done to the rectangle. So, out of that, how many parts are unshaded? The ones which are not colored. The ones which are not colored. Okay, so total parts 9. So these are the ones which are not colored, the ones which I am circling. Okay, very good. So 5 by 9. 5 by 9 is the part which are not colored. So we can call this 5 by 9 as unshaded fraction. Unshaded fraction. Very good, Khushi. Very good, Ishita. Very well done. The students, you all are really amazing in giving answers. Like you all are very fast in giving the answers. It's because you know it from before also, and when your concept is a bit clear, then you can easily answer the questions. Uh, Mahi, why are you answering for 2 tenths? We are doing for the unshaded fraction. Please look into the screen, and we have 5 by 9 as an unshaded part. So my students are so excited that they are writing the words also, ताकि मैम को पता चल जाए कि रिविजन भी हो रहा है साथ में. Perfect. Yes, 5 9s. Very well done. Very well done, students. Now, Mahi, your answer is correct. Okay, so moving forward, we have to learn this also, and we have to solve one question also over here. Okay, no doubts. Very good. So here in the left side, let's look at the question on the left side. What fraction is there for the unshaded part? The figure has been divided into some parts. So we have to find out the unshaded fraction. So let's see, what are we going to write in the denominator first? What are we going to write in the denominator? The total number of parts. Okay. So the total number of parts is 4. Very good. And the unshaded part. Okay. Unshaded part is, no, Ishwita, we are talking about unshaded part. We are not talking about the shaded part. आपने shaded part का आंसर दे दिया बच्चे. वापस से स्क्रीन पर देखो, जो पार्ट कलर नहीं किया हुआ है वो होता है अनशेडेड. जैसे ये जितना वाइट पार्ट है ना, ये है सारा अनशेडेड पार्ट. तो 4 में से 3 पार्ट ऐसा है जो कि कलर नहीं है. नाउ योर आंसर इज करेक्ट, इश्विता. सो 3/4. यू नो, आई एम लविंग दिस कि आप फ्रैक्शन के साथ साथ आप वर्ड्स में भी आंसर कर रहे हो. परफेक्ट. खुश. Mahi, it is 3/4. 1/4 is the shaded part. 3/4 is the unshaded part for this. Okay, now you are correct, Mahi. Okay, coming to the next one. Let's move on to the right side of the slide, and let's solve this. We have a flower over here, and we have to find out the number of parts done to the flower. So let's see the number of parts done to the flower. How many parts are there? That we are going to write in the denominator and find out the fraction of the unshaded part. So who is the first one who is going to answer me? Let's see. So Priyansh is trying hard. Okay, so Priyansh has given me the answer. Okay, Ishwita, you are very good at explaining, it seems. So total parts, Ishwita has told me 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfectly all right. And out of that, 2 parts are unshaded. These are the 2 parts which are not shaded. Very good. So 2/8. Or we can also write it as 2 eighths. EIGHTHs. 2 eighths. So this is the unshaded fraction of the flour. I hope. ओके माही, 4/9 कहाँ से आया बच्चे? 4/9 जैसा तो फिगर ही नहीं है। देखो आप, फ्लावर में टोटल पार्ट्स 8 है। काउंट करो फ्लावर के पार्ट्स, पेटल्स कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। थिया, यस आई गॉट योर आंसर। Mahi, look into the screen and just find out the correct number of petals. Total number of petals is 8 and out of that 2 petals are not shaded. So हम यहाँ पर find out कर रहे हैं कि कितना part shaded नहीं है. So आपका concept कुछ भी गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. You should learn it all correct. Okay? It's not 5/9. Mahi, it seems you need to just look into the screen and do the correct working. It is 2/8. Okay, very well done. Khushi, Priyansh, Ishwita, Medansh, Thea. Perfect. Okay, now we come to equal parts. What are the equal parts over here? Is this figure equal? क्या आपको ये figure equal लग रहा है? Can you find this figure equal? No, it's not equal, right? So we have to make it equal. हमें इसे equal बनाना पड़ेगा. How can we make it equal? How can we make it equal? We have to put a line over here. Okay, यहाँ पर एक line बनाएंगे and इसके साथ नीचे भी, in the bottom, we are going to make a line. And now this rectangle will be in equal parts. Okay. So how we have made this equal. Once again, I'm going to show you. Okay, so I am making this line, extending this line and making it equal. Okay, very good. Now we are making the bottom line to make it equal. Now the number of equal parts that we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 equal parts. We have 12 equal parts. Now we have done the 12 equal parts. Very good. So if any figure is not in the equal parts, it's very difficult to find out the fraction. What is the shaded fraction or what is the unshaded fraction? So whenever you find a figure like this, which is partly divided into equal parts, but partly it is not. So we have to divide it into equal parts, and then whatever step you have to do it afterwards. But before that, it is very difficult for you to point out the fractions, whether it is shaded, unshaded, or whatever you are taking out. Okay. So 12 equal parts have been done. Very good, Priyansh. Very good, Medansh and Ishwita also. All of you have given the correct answer. Perfect. So I hope this equal part is clear. So let's see. Okay. Write the fraction for the shaded part. How can we find out the fraction for the shaded part over here? In the next slide, if you can see on the right side, on the left side. Okay, so I have a triangle over here and I have to find out the fraction for the shaded part. But here you can see that the figure is not divided into equal parts. So what we have to do first, we have to divide the figure into equal parts. We are going to divide this figure into equal parts. We are going to do it like this. Okay, so now the figure has been divided into equal parts, and then we are going to count the total number of parts. The total number of parts done to the triangle. Okay, Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total number of parts is 18, and out of that 16 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 parts are shaded. Okay, very good. Very well done, Ishwita. Very well done, Thea. Perfect. So 16, अच्छा लेट आ रहा है आपके पास स्क्रीन इसीलिए आपको दिक्कत हो रही है ओके नो वरीज 16 हो सकता है इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम हो आपके साइड सो 16 over 18 is the fraction for the shaded part perfect very good very well done okay students I hope you have understood this part of the lesson, equal parts. And if you have any problem, just let me know. And आपको आज का सेशन कैसा लगा प्लीज मुझे बताइए और अपने आंसर्स आपको कोई आपको प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हुई आप प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करिए एंड will you be waiting for the next session again just let me confirm okay आप कौन कौन सा सेशन पसंद करते हैं कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स आपके फेवरेट हैं आप सब कुछ मुझे बताने वाले हैं एंड आज का सेशन आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज type in the chat box and we are going to meet again next week once again so today this is all for today's class. Okay, so Priyansh is giving me, okay, you like the session very much. Thank you, Priyansh. And next session में we are going to do a lot more. तब तक के लिए आप सब अच्छे से पढ़ाई करिए, खुश रहिए, बहुत सारा अच्छा अच्छा खाना खाइए and take care of yourself. Okay, and take care of yourself and also take care of your parents and अच्छे से अपना संडे बिताइए. Thank you students. Thank you so much.